Hello guys, welcome to Math and Science Are the Future 2011. In this video, we are going to start with Arduino Crash Course Part 1. So, in this course, we are going to talk about the codes and how to build your simple Arduino projects with this. So let's start. So over here you can see this Arduino over here. So this mainly has 0 to 13 digital pins, and over here you can see like you can see these are analog pins and these are the power pins. So over here, as you can see in power, there are VIN, GND, GND, and many like 5-volt pins, 3.3 volt pin, and many more. Over here, VIN stands for positive, GND stands for negative, 5 volt is the 5 volt output, and 3.3 is the 3.3 volt output. That much is easy for you. Now over here you can see some, let me erase it. Okay, over here I've erased it. Now let's select it. Over here you can see this reset pin. So this reset pin is used to reset the whole code and start from the starting. Okay, so over here digital pin is for input and output. Okay, so over here you can see some LEDs type of thing over here. So these are the top one is for the lights. Well, I just connected the Arduino to it. Like over here I'm connecting this Arduino. You can see over here you can see the top orange light is glowing, which is the top LED. Okay, we will make projects out of this Arduino, and I've uploaded some projects on my channel. You can go and check out those projects. I will also give you some video links for those projects. So let's continue. Just a second. Over here, what is a power block? Power block is for to transmit positive and negative to this Arduino over here. So to connect plus we have to connect to VIN. We have to connect to VIN and negative to GND. Okay, so let's move on. So over here you can connect these batteries. These are 1.5 volt chargeable non-rechargeable battery with this male head. Sorry. So here's a breadboard. Let me just show you a breadboard, but I don't have right now. So breadboard are something like this. Okay. Over here, these lines are connected together. Okay, and in this, these lines are connected. Same goes for the down one, like this. Okay. So you can provide like over you can see plus and a minus, so you can provide it just for the better understanding for what to connect to what. So you can just connect positive for battery to the positive symbol and negative for the negative symbol. That's easy. Let's move down. So over here an Arduino is connected to a breadboard. So now let's see what the programming of Arduino is. So here you can install this application from the Microsoft Store. That is Microsoft this over here, this app, or you can install from a web tab. Like for example, I type Arduino IDE download for Windows 11. So you can install the 90 version. I have installed the 90 version of it over here. You can just click this Windows and then install the 90 version of it. I've already installed it. Okay. So now let's make this simple project. So how shall we make it? We will need LED. This is a red LED, an Arduino, which is the original Arduino. Okay, so you have to take the longer side, which is the longer pole, which is this side, and plug it into any pin of your choice. Like if you want to plug into the digital pin. Over here, you have to plug into these pins only, which is from 0 to 13 digital pins. Okay, so I would pin into, for example, for suppose I would pin into 11 pin number, and the shorter pole to GND, which is at the side over here. As you can see, I have plugged it into it over here. So now let's plug this using this cable, which is type B to A. So you have to plug it into this and plug it into your laptop or PC or whatever you have over here. Over here, as you can see, the light is glowing. You can see the LED is not glowing up. So now let's open the Arduino IDE software. For that, you have to install it first and then search Arduino IDE. It may take some time to open. Over here, I will write a simple code, but Arduino over there provides you an example code to blink an LED. So now I would like to open, like you have to go to examples, then basics, then blink. You have to open this and close all other programs like this. So over here, from this to this, these are all comments which have no use in this project. These are mainly to define what that function does. So I would upload this program to the Arduino, but I will change the LED built-in to what I have connected to. Which pin I have connected the LED. I have connected to 11th pin number, so I will write 11 over here. So let's first upload the code, then I will explain how the code works. Select the code in the Arduino, hit upload. As you can see, LED is blinking in 1 second. So that's your simple code. Remove the cable. Okay. Let's move to the browser. So here, over here, LED pin number has been taken. Over here 13, but I have taken 11. So over here, int is defined as integer. Void setup and the bracket like that is for to run a code once. And over here, while loop is to run the code millions of times, like infinity. So over here, I just erase it. Okay. So over here, what is pin mode? Pin mode is to tell on which the LED should give an output or input. Over here, LED is a variable in which pin number 13 is stored. Over here, we have taken 11. So you can just do like that. Over here, we have taken pin mode as 11, comma output. Over here, let's see the word loop. Over here, digital write stands for on that port or that pin you have to set the command to 1 or 0. Over here, 1 means 5 volt. 5 volt. Okay, and 0 means 0 volts, which is GND, not GND, but 0 volts. Over here, delay is for to delay, like for how much you should run that program and then stop. Over here, delay is for 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. Let's move down. You can read these things. So over here you can see these projects. So we will make these projects in the next part of this Arduino crash course. Till then, stay safe and happy. And make sure to subscribe to this channel and share with your friends and families. Thank you for watching.